Hi Ray, hope you're good matey. Just a quick video about your website and ranking it, getting a map listing up in Ashton Online really. Obviously getting you even more customers, more income. Starting off at your website, just very briefly, I like your logo there, mate. Like the colour scheme going on up here, the orange, it's nice and bright. Stands out in this picture here sharp. This picture's a bit pixelated. Could maybe do with being updated potentially. And if you look on here, that looks great. 35 years experience in painting and decorating. But all this, I don't know if you've noticed it or if you've seen it and it just needs changing, but it's got this text here called Lorem Ipsum. So that needs obviously updating on there. Good logos. Dulux stands out. Testimonial there, very nice. Reviews very, very important nowadays. And Ring Grey. This would be great if it could be clickable. Because most searches nowadays are done on mobiles, and it'd be nice to have clickable mobile phone number on there. Probably customers like nice and easy. So just as a little tip, I would say it'd be a good idea to get your phone number up here maybe. A nice clickable one for people that are on mobiles really. And perhaps just to make it a bit easier for customers as well, because customers just want it, things put in front of them, making it as easy as possible. Get a contact form on your homepage, Ray, just to make it a lot easier for them to so that it's right there for you to fill in details and request your services really. So if we look at the maps, so if we're typing in painters and decorators in Ashton Underline. Let's have a look at this top three, the map pack, 3-pack. This is what we call this up here, where the money's at. You can see Greenwoods, G-Borg, which I presume is your bro, and a guy called Roy Frost. I'm sure you're probably aware of all these companies really anyway. And then under here, you've got the organic listings. The first main website, you've got Thompson Local, Checker Trade, Rate People, etc. And then your first proper website is I presume it's your brother's. G-Borg. So let's have a look at, how they're there and how they're getting the money. So to get into here's a bit of research. This is on a website called moz.com. Feel free, you can see on there, moz.com. Feel free to check it out, matey. This is just for a personal injury lawyer. So it shows where people are clicking on the heat maps after a bit of research that they've done. And, at the top, you've got the paid adverts. There are a few clicks on there, as you can see. There's map pack. This is where the money's at, being number one in here. You can see that's red heat, lots of clicks, lots of money, lots of income, lots of new customers. Same here, number one on organics, lots of, there's more clicks there than there would be on the ones below. So you can see that's where it pays to be, basically. So how do you get there? There were three main ways of getting there that I do for everybody. I've done it for the Sale and Manchester paint and decorating websites that I've got, that you've got a course for, amongst all the other websites that I build. So the first one of three is content. So in a quick example, if you type in lion on Google, the first results that come up are Wikipedia. This Wikipedia listing used to come up number one up until 2016 when you brought out a film called Lion, which I'm sure you can see here. But let's have a look nonetheless. Let's have a look at why it comes up number one. I'm sure you've clicked on Wikipedia at least once in your lifetime, Ray. You'll see it's got lots of content, lots of text. Tons and tons of it. So on your website, I would not be afraid of putting 500 to maybe 1,000 words of text on your homepage, and for that reason, with a few keywords in there such as painters and decorators and Ashton Underline, and just getting a few little keywords in there that you'd like to be found for really. Next way of getting into the maps, into this this top three up here, and number one eventually. Citation, so listing your business's name, address and phone number on different directories such as Yale.com, which you may already be on, Thomson, Facebook, lots and lots of them. I've got a list of 40 to 50 to 60 of the best ones around. There are hundreds that you can get onto, but doing this research I've done for other companies, one of the websites that I've got, for example, this one, Paint and Decorator Manchester. you know, the 101 sources. So there's loads and loads that you can go at. I did want to show you a few of maybe what your brother and the other your local competition will be listed under, but this program I'm using, WhiteSpark, doesn't seem to be working properly tonight. But nonetheless, you know, we can spy on the competition, see where they're listed, copy them, and basically do more than them. The last and most important, you know, third out of three things to get into this, you know, into the top here, and to get into these organics at the top here as well, where the money's at, are backlinks or votes back to your website. You know, we can look at what links your brother's got, going back to, you know, on here, on a program called SEMrush. It shows backlinks. So he's got 19 backlinks or votes back from other websites. Basically, I look at it as a group of mates, you know, see if you've got, you know, lots of links or lots of votes, lots of friends linking, you know, your website domain on their website. Lots of them in, you know, good quality links back to your website. Google likes that. Google sees that they're sort of your friends. They recommend you, and they, you know, they boost your rankings basically. So I can look at what, for example, you know, what the place that your brother is listed on. You know, all these 19 links, and basically you're listed in the same places, and it'll increase the organic listing. Last but not least, you know how I roll the websites. You know, they're getting calls, they're getting website forms consistently throughout the year. One of my other websites, a local website, is, you know, plumbing. I've got a few, but I'll use a local example. You know, you've seen where I'm at with these. You know, plumber in sale, we're number one in the maps there, and just below that, we're number one on the organics there. So a ton of calls going through to my current client there, Scott, at the moment. So that's what I can do for you, mate, if you want to do that locally for you. Hope you enjoyed this. I'll catch up with you very soon. Cheers.